Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a header, including possibly like your license number and any business information that you want to include in your estimates and invoices. So the first thing you want to do is click on Sales, and you can do this both on the desktop version and on the mobile version of Thrive. And then go to create an estimate. So let's just do a sample estimate. You can send one to me just as a test. You can send one to yourself, but this is what you want to do. So click New, click Estimate. You can search the person. So I'm going to search for myself. I'm just going to send one to myself. And then the way to edit your business header and you can include your license number is simply hit the little pencil and then edit this. So here I can put Thrive, and then you can put in more lines. So just click enter, and then you can put license number. You can put your phone number. So basically any information that you would want to include in your header. You can put your email address, all sorts of information. If you don't want to include your physical address, you can just go ahead and change it here. So you just go ahead and add whatever information you want to add, your license, your bond number, your insurance. You can also organize it so it has this little line here. So license number, bond, insurance, any information you want to add, you add it there, and then hit save for all future invoices, estimates, and receipts. So this will ensure that this information that you just entered always appears on your estimates and your invoices. And then you can just go ahead and, do a sample estimate. So just add whatever you want and then hit send. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. So now your estimates and your invoices are going to have your full information that you just entered in the header, as well as your logo and all that stuff. So it's just a neat little way to add more stuff, customize it, make sure that it has all your info, and you can always come back and edit it and then hit save for future. So that's about it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, always remember you can reach out, text me, email me, call me. Have a great day.